There's one thing cool about ProTinkerToys is I have a lot of what you call stocking stuffers, or they're called knick-knack toys. Kids love knick-knack toys, and I have an entire selection of knick-knack toys. All you have to go to is our website, look below, click the link below, and you'll see all the knick-knack toys we have. Nudie or knee-doos, all these knee-doos, just little pop things, fidget toys, touchables, Gumbies, gone fishing, bouncing putty, Wally Crawlies, everything you can possibly imagine in the way of a knick-knack toy, and we have it at ProTinkerToys.com. How about Bubble Buddies? Okay, you basically look at this. It's just a knick-knack fun toy. How about a little mouse that jumps up at you? Hey there, hi there, hi there, hi there, hi there. Or how about a soak and grow, where you basically put this in the water and it grows 3 times the size. We just have a lot of just fun stuff here at ProTinkerToys.com. All you have to do is go on the website, click all the things, and just click, I want that, I want that, I want that, I want that. And it's all available at ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to hit subscribe and like button, and don't forget to check below and clink the below and link the below and just clink and clink and link and link.